Welcome! In front of me I have CUBOT W03 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And to disable it, simply open the quick panel and tap on the icon again like this. The icon will go back to the gray color, or it will be grayed out, and this means that the mode is disabled. And then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.